it is. This is ridiculous. Are they stuck? Holy crap. Quite a storm. It's almost past. I can hardly make it. You guys should move. Look at this nonsense. I know. So are we gonna wait here till it's over? It's almost gone already. Yeah, we I know. Oh God. I'm gonna try and go back out. Oh, my phone just got shredded. Ah. No. I'm gonna put my phone away. Alright, that's all.